everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes onto your skin, especially your face, it sometimes can look a little bit dull. Sometimes you get pigmentation on your face, such as dark spots and blemishes, blackheads and whiteheads, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to share a facial scrub that can be doubled as a facial mask, rich in natural skin brightening properties that will help to brighten, lighten, get rid of the hyperpigmentation on the skin. It also has skin tightening properties that will help to tighten and firm the skin. So if you're interested in this recipe, continue watching the video. Before I jump in the kitchen, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Please just subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like on the video and watch the video to the end. Now today we're going to be using some flour, and this is plain white flour. Flour will have to tighten the skin, so we're going to use 2 tablespoons of flour, adding this to our bowl. Next we're going to reach for some orange peel, and this is orange peel powder rich in vitamin C. We're using 1 teaspoon of the orange peel powder, adding that to our bowl. Now today we're going to be using some sesame seed, and sesame seed will have to exfoliate, get rid of dead skin cells. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It helps to boost the collagen production in the skin and also reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. For this recipe you can use sesame seed, flax seed, or chia seeds. So I'm going to blend 2 tablespoons of the sesame seeds. So here in our bowl we have orange peel and flour, and now we're going to reach back for our sesame seeds and we're going to pour this in the bowl. So here we have flour, sesame seed, and orange peel. We're going to give this a stir. We're going to reach for our saucepan and we're going to place our pot on the stove top. Next we're going to pour 1 cup of water in the saucepan. Now before it starts boiling, we're going to reach for the flour, orange peel, and sesame seed mixture. And we're going to slowly pour this in the saucepan. You want to mix as you go along. Just pour it in. And this has a very pleasant fragrance. You're going to get rid of all the lumps. You need to work very fast with this. Just keep stirring this. Keep stirring. And once you start stirring, you're going to notice that it's going to get thick. This is how you want it to be. So keep stirring this. And while you are stirring and it's getting really, really thick, we're going to reach for some avocado oil. So I'm going to pour about a teaspoon of the avocado oil in the mixture. You can use any of your favorite oil. We do not need a lot of oils in this, since the sesame seed is rich in oils. So mix and mix well. If it needs a little bit more water, you don't want it to be too thick, you can go ahead and add a little bit more water to it. And now we're going to remove this from the stove top. As soon as you remove this, you're going to keep stirring. Now take a look, here it is after we remove it from the stove top. And you're going to set this aside to cool. Once it is cooled, then it is ready to use on the skin. However, I like to store mine in a storage jar. Reach for the storage jar and let's pour this in. Now for this facial mask, you will need to use it up in 7 days, and you're going to store this in the refrigerator. This mask is a skin tightening mask, When you apply it on your face, it's going to leave a tightening sensation. It's going to dry on the skin, and it's going to leave the skin firm and tight. And to use the mask, you want to apply it on your skin like I'm showing here. And it have a very pleasant fragrance. So you're just going to apply it all over your face. A thick layer. Be generous with it. This feels really, really good, guys. And once this is done, you are going to let it dry on the skin. Now, because we're short on time, guys, what we will need to know is that when this is dry on the skin, it's going to be hard on the skin. You are going to get this tightening effect on the skin. It's going to be so dry on the skin. Not to worry, that is the mask working on the skin. So rinse the mask off, pat dry, and you apply your favorite moisturizer. This mask is good to use 2 to 3 times a week. If you're just starting out and you want to try the mask for 7 days straight, go ahead and do so. However, you need not to use it more than 2 to 3 times a week, and you're still going to reap amazing benefits. So whip it up, make it up, use it up, and come back and leave.